New information just after 5 on the deadly flash flooding in central Texas. At least 110 people have died. The search continues for survivors.
And here we are 6 days in since those floods started. Now, officials say more than 170 people are still unaccounted for. Many families have now joined first responders to search for their own loved ones.
I'm just doing what a parent would do. Nothing else matters right now than to take this effort to find, my son and these other kids.
Well, Texas Governor Greg Abbott says that there will be, moving forward, their next plan with this is an investigation to see if anything could have been done differently when the flood happened. Well, News 2 is continuing to follow the recovery efforts following the floods there in Texas. Later this hour, Jaxie Pigeon is going to take a look at efforts from Tennessee organizations to help out as well. Now, you can also get updates by going to our website any time of day, WKRN.com.